About poverty and poverty line. Nirupama, can you define poverty line? Nirupama, what happened to Nirupama? So many videos are off. Turn on the videos. Okay. Aditya, can you define poverty line? Aditya M.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, poverty line.
It's an imaginary line.
Ah.
It has a fixed amount of of salary.
Poverty line. Note amount.
Some amount of
Ma'am, can
salary.
you
And the minimum
income?
The minimum?
required for a person.
It is not salary.
The minimum income and consumption
It is the minimum income and
consumption levels.
Of
See,
a
children, if a
percentage.
definition is there, please write it as the correct definition. It is a minimum income required for a person to satisfy his basic necessities is called poverty line. When you are writing that, you know that you have written exam. So if a definition is there, definition must be correct, otherwise you will not get mark. The minimum income required for a person to satisfy his basic necessities of life is termed as poverty line. And we discussed about the estimation of poverty, how to estimate the poverty line. It is a minimum food required for a person is calculated in calories. The minimum food first, the minimum food, the estimation of poverty, how to estimate the poverty line. First step is the minimum food required for a person is calculated in calories. We are calculating it in calories and it is converted into equivalent money value. This calories we will study. So first step is the food intake we are assuming, calculating in calories and convert it into money terms. Plus we will add the amount for shelter and clothing. So together this amount is taken for calculating poverty line. And if a person's income or expenditure is less than this poverty line, he is called as BPL, below poverty line. And in India, we use as the monthly per capita expenditure to identify the BPL family. That is also important. In India, we are using the monthly per capita expenditure to identify the BPL. It's a monthly per capita expenditure. So how to estimate poverty line? How to estimate poverty line? The minimum food required. First, we are calculating the food intake in calories and convert it into equivalent money value. Then with that, we add a minimum amount spent for shelter and clothing. And all these amounts are togetherly taken for calculating poverty line. Then in India, we use the monthly per capita expenditure to identify the BPL families. Monthly per capita expenditure to identify the BPL families. Then first we discussed about the calories. So what is a calorie requirement? Calories required for a person in India. That is very important. The calorie, which calorie we are taking. For a rural area, we are calculating a calorie of 2,400 calories. Melvin? It's 2,400 calories per person per day is a calorie requirement in rural area. You must write it down. It is 2,400 calories per person per day is a calorie requirement in rural area. In rural area, 2,400 calories per person per day is a calorie requirement. And in urban area, it is 2,100 calorie per day per person. So for estimation of poverty, the first we are taking the food intake in calories and how much calorie is needed for a person. In rural area, a person need 2,400 calories and in urban area, a person need 2,100 calorie. Then, why this difference is there in between rural area and urban area? Which,
Because in urban
which,
area, people can work.
louder?
Because in urban areas, people can physically work.
See, what is the calorie needed in urban area? Urban area, what is the calorie?
2,100.
2,100 in
100.
urban area. And what is the calorie needed in rural area?
2,400.
2,400 calories in rural area. Which is more?
Your rural.
Rural area. The rural area people need more calorie than urban area. Why?
Because they need more energy.
Because they need more energy. Why they need more energy?
They are
Because
doing hard work and
in
Because
agriculture.
they are doing which type of work?
agricultural works.
Manual works, right? Because they are doing more manual work. That's why the calorie needed is more in rural area than in urban area. Clear, children? Why that difference is there? The calorie needed for a person in rural area is 2,400, but a calorie needed for a person who is living in urban area is only 2,100. Then a question will be there definitely. Why that difference is there between the people living in rural area and urban area? The difference is because in rural area, the people are doing more manual work than the people who are living in urban area. So they need more level of energy. More energy consumption is needed for the people who are living in rural area. Okay, calorie requirement is higher in rural area. Why? Because the village people do more manual works. The village people are doing more manual work than the urban people. So they need more energy, more calories of food. Okay. So what is the minimum required calorie for a person? If a person is unable to get a calorie of 2,400 in rural area and 2,100 in urban area, he is poor. So this is the minimum calorie they needed. It is 2,400 in rural area and 2,100 in urban area. This is very important. Don't forget this number. 2,400 in rural area, 2,100 in urban area. This is the calories they needed. And the difference is because in rural area, the people are doing more manual work. So they need more level of energy. This is the calorie intake. And coming to the income. In all your house, you have a ration card, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. In the ration card, the income is written there. Have you noticed it?
No,
The
ma'am.
monthly, yearly income is written there. So based on the income also, we are dividing the people into BPL and APL. What is the
Yes,
income
ma'am.
requirement for deciding that BPL and APL? It is
per rupees 1,000 area in urban area.
1000 where?
In urban areas.
It is around 816 per month for a person in rural area and rupees 1000 for the urban area. This is also important. How much money is needed? It is 816 in rural area. In a month, if you are not able to get 8,016 per person, okay? 816 per person per month in rural area and rupees 1000 for the person in urban area. If a person is not able to get this much income, they are also poor. If I fail to get an income of less than 2,816 per month, I belong to BPL. And in an urban area, if I am living in a city, and my income is less than 1,000 rupees, I am belonging to
Rural area.
poverty. Where is my slide? Okay. So poverty line is fixed at rupees 816 per month for rural area and rupees 1000 for urban area. That means if a family of 5, then how much income is needed for them in a month in urban area?
5,000.
5,000, right. And in rural area?
4,080.
4,000?
80.
4,080.
4080.
$4,080.
Ma'am, 4,080.
4,080. Okay. So how the income is 816 per person is needed in rural area, and in urban area how much is needed?
5,000.
5,000, 816 and 1,000. That is depending upon the family. Okay. If
Yes,
your
ma'am.
family have 4 member or 5 member, the income may be varied. But per person, it is 816 in rural area and to 1,000 rupees in urban area. Here also difference is there. Why that difference?
The manual work, ma'am.
Manual work. Here income in urban area, $816 is needed in rural area and 1,000 rupees is needed in urban area. Why this difference in income?
Ma'am, they might not be educated.
You think and answer. Don't read from the textbook. Okay, don't read from the textbook. Why this income difference?
Daily expense on both places will be different.
Okay, expenses are different. Expenses, where is expense more? In rural area or urban area?
Urban area.
Urban area, that you know. Urban area, the living expense is more. That is, cost of living is more in urban area than in rural area. That's why it is decided 1,000 rupees in urban area and 816 rupees in rural area. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
How this is estimated, you know, it is based on the calories of food intake plus a certain amount they are spending for their food, shelter, and all the things are added in calculating this income. And it
Yes, ma'am.
is 816 per person per month in rural area and 1,000 for people who are living in urban area. And if a family failed to spend more than 1,000 rupees, less than 1,000 rupees, it will be called as a BPL family. Then the poverty line is fixed higher in urban area because the cost of living is more in which area? Urban area. So why this poverty line is fixed higher in urban area? Poverty line is fixed higher in urban area because the cost of living is more in urban area than in rural area. And this income or the income may be vary depending on the time. The NSSO, have you heard about NSSO? National Sample Survey Organization, NSSO. National Sample Survey Organization. They will collect the data and give the report based on their data. This income may be vary. This poverty line is fixed based on the data collected by NSSO, National Sample Survey Organization. It is a wing of government which will conduct surveys and all. And they are collecting the data based on their data. This poverty line is fixed. This income may be vary. Now suppose it is 816. Maybe after 5 years it may be 1016. It may be vary.
Yes, ma'am.
Then according to World Bank, if a person failed to spend less than $190, less than not 190, sorry, 1.90. It is not 190, 1.90. If a person failed to spend a dollar less than 1.90, he is living in poverty. He is considered as a poor by World Bank. You heard about World Bank?
Worldwide Bank only?
World Bank, have you heard about it? World Bank?
No, ma'am.
International Bank for Development and for Reconstruction and all. No, not heard about World Bank. It is money for the countries and all. If any country is facing any problem, if you have any financial problem, whom you will depend?
Bank loan.
Bank. Our family or we have any problem, we are depending on the bank. Is it possible for us to directly approach the Melvin? Melvin? What happened, Dad? So that World Bank is deciding a dollar less than 1.90. If a person failed to spend less than $1.90 per day, he is considered as poor.
Yes, ma'am.
So poverty line is the minimum income required for a person to satisfy his basic necessities of life. If a person failed to the minimum income, if a person failed to have a minimum income required for satisfying his basic necessities is termed as poverty line. Here the minimum income is how much rupees is the minimum income in rural area? 816 in rural area. And how much in urban area?
1,000
rupees in urban area. Then why it is decided more in urban area?
because
Expenses are
they
more.
are
Expenses, no, it's cost of living. Okay, cost of living is more in urban area. Cost of living is more in urban area than in rural area.
Yes, ma'am.
That term is important. Don't forget it. Okay. Now you will recollect it, I know. But when the next class, if I am asking, it must be there.
Yes, ma'am.
Then how to estimate poverty? How to calculate poverty? It is calculated on the basis of the minimum food requirement of a person. That is calculated in calories. When you are buying something also, you can see that the food items are mentioned in calories. Chocolates and all, have you noticed it? Energy in calories.
Yes, ma'am.
It is there in the wrapper
Chips.
of everything, it is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Calories, the maximum calories. So that food intake we are calculated in calories. And how much calories is needed in rural area?
2,400.
2,400 in rural area, and urban area
2,100.
1,100 in urban area. Then here also difference. Why this difference? More calories needed in rural area because they are doing more
Manual work.
manual works. And along with this food intake in calories plus a certain amount they are spending for shelter and clothing is also added. And togetherly all these we are calculating the poverty line. And if a person's income or expenditure is less than this poverty line, that is if a person require less than 816 rupees or 1000 rupees, he is considered as poor, BPL, below poverty line. And in India, we uses the monthly per capita expenditure to identify the BPL families. Monthly per capita expenditure.
Yes, ma'am.
We discussed. Okay. The next heading is poverty trends in India. Major poverty trends in India. The proportion of people below poverty line is called poverty ratio. It's a ratio. Is anybody call me? Sarhad. The proportion of people below poverty line is called poverty ratio. And this poverty ratio in India has decreased from 45% in 93-94 to 22% in 2011-12. So many data are there. You just try to remember this one. It is around 45% in 93-94 time, and coming to 2011-12, it decreased to 22%. That is, the number of poor people declined from 407 million in 2004-5 to 270 million in 2011-12. But even now, around 21% of our population is living in poverty. Okay, in 93-94 time, 45% of the population is living in poverty, but now it decreased to 21%. A chart is given in the textbook. You check that the same chart what we explained is given in the chart form. That is in rural area in 93-94 around 57% of the people are living in poverty. And in 2011-12 it was only 26. In urban area also it is 32 in 93-94 and it declined to 14 in 2011-12. So poverty trends in India, that is poverty ratio. Poverty ratio means it's a proportion of people who are living below poverty line, BPL. The people who are living in below poverty line, BPL, is called as poverty ratio. The number of people who are living in, or the proportion of people who are living in poverty or considered to be poor, are calculated by the poverty ratio. And in India, the poverty ratio is decreasing. If you are drawing a chart, if you are drawing a chart, this poverty ratio is decreasing. It is not increasing, it is decreasing. It was around 45% in 93-94, and it reduced to 37% in 2004-5, and again it reduced to 22% in 2011-12. That is the poverty trends in India. So
Yes,
first,
ma'am.
children, you remember what do you mean by poverty line. And after that, how to estimate poverty line. Then how much calories of food are needed. In rural area, how much calories needed?
2400.
2400. And in urban area, it is
2100.
2100. Why that difference? Because in rural area, people are doing more manual works. Then coming to income. For determining the poverty line, it is 816 rupees per day. Per month, per person is needed. And in urban area, it is 1000 rupees. There is also a higher income is needed in urban area. Why? Because the cost of living is more in urban area than in rural area. That's why that difference is there. Cost of living is more in urban area than in rural area. Then coming to the poverty trends in India. Poverty trends is an increasing trend or decreasing trend of poverty in India?
Decreasing trend.
It is a decreasing trend. The poverty is decreasing in India. So many factors contributed to that. And some of the states in India, even now some of the states, compared to the other states, some are the richest states and some are the poorest states. You know which are the richest states in India?
Kerala.
More than Kerala. It's Punjab and Haryana. Okay. So they all, Punjab, Haryana, then as you said, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, they all tried and it was a great success for them to reduce the poverty to a certain extent. Hadi, you said something?
Gujarat.
Gujarat. But some states in India are even now in poverty. Even nowadays also some states in India are very poor. It's coming mostly the eastern states. Which are the eastern?
Rajasthan.
Eastern states,
Hey,
not
sorry.
west. Come to east.
Assam,
Assam,
Odisha.
Odisha,
Karnataka.
Karnataka, east.
Himachal Pradesh.
Mizoram,
See, north, south, east, west. Here, this Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, all are coming under the southern states. East side, Assam. Then Orissa, Bihar, Tripura, Sikkim.
West Bengal,
West Bengal. There West Bengal is an exemption. Their poverty is less compared to other states. Okay. That is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
next topic we are going to discuss is interstate disparities of poverty in India. Interstate disparity. That means some states poverty is very less. In Kerala and all, it is only 7.1. But in some of the states like Orissa, it is more than 32. So why these differences are there, or how some states succeeded in reducing poverty? Okay, that we can discuss in the next class. Children,
ma'am.
please read the textbook today itself. Okay, don't
Yes,
wait
ma'am.
for Monday.
Thank you, ma'am.
So please Read the textbook proper before the next class, okay?
Yes,
Bye.
ma'am.
Yes.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Forever.
Bye.